poite ina okay lo na me siapa ilu le ba hina apa men pen puchal ka ba hina amau no ba ma de hi to azong la sa ko le to chang dina again myam sa ma pai pi asangam ba ong nu sia san to pen van la to la hi mo ama pen nu sa san kin na siapa to myam mai khom pen hi to chang na hi pen au pen in she is the oldest sister of Pastor Trenga mangai tangi to chang ina pasal po na open HB van la vuana ama pen champai me he is the oldest brother of Pastor Trenga and one of the sister Ngen Nun I Trenga Aizola on he Tanemi to pen Pastor Trenga uhina tuina khosuma old al khaya om lai oh to pen now ita tuni zong now hina chang liani hina lasiap chiang nu I te nu hina Australia om hi Lauren boy I kichina na la na omina Mizoram om hi sangam nu khali Seni hina Malaysia Pastor Daniel I si Van la zoma sen vala hina tena to gen zopa mako English to gen pen hina Spicer High School la samsia semi Now we will let give Pastor Lara Puya to pray for the family.